Internet is the fast and convenience way for us to communicate with other people. Now, most likely, teenagers are the great users of this famous website, social network website, which is the Facebook and Twitter. But adults is not exemption here. Adults can also use social network for them to communicate with others and for them to work online. Now, the first one is Facebook can create an entertainment atmosphere. Besides, it's just like a playground. You can do everything you want. It's for especially people who are really bored. When they are bored, they can play or they can chat with their friends. And they can create their own profile, which includes their persona information, their interests, and photo files, and music clips. The second one is to communicate with others.
What's it for?
Facebook you can communicate with your old friends. You can or make new friends, or you can find someone to have a date. And for the last one is to have to give users to learn and to expand their knowledge. For example, there is a certain page in which there is a certain country with its features like the waterfalls and the underground caves, so that they can look for the pictures and what is the preview of this, so that they know more about of this area.
As we all know, Facebook is the most popular and in social media network, which is used by many of us, and it helps us to join with our friends or family. And last few years, we had a Friendster. We had to million people join this and have a fun with their friends by sending nice messages and having an acquaintance or love mates. Then, because of our modern generation, they invented the Facebook, which became the most popular in our country. All of us want to join, but there's a lot of disadvantages that comes in my mind with the Facebook. The question is, do you think Facebook can help us to improve our social life? Is it good to have more friends without knowing their full personalities? Then that's why the first reason is there's some cases that many people like us having a friends in the Facebooks which will not know the full attitude, the full personalities, which resulted that some people when they meet that friends, there's some rape cases which is viewed or shows by the news in some few days. Then second reason is your picture in the Facebook. People they can edit it, right? They can put some unnecessary things in your picture. Then sometimes your picture put it in the naked body. So if you see this, you will offend, right? Then the next reason is expose privacy. As well, the good example is, as we all know, Mr. Barack Obama is also the first social media network president, and which because of this Facebook, have he won the campaign because of 24 million followers. But as times goes by, did you know that Mr. President doesn't like her daughters to have a Facebook? What? Why? Because of some privacy exposure that happened with Mr. Obama, because her some private photos was revealed in her Facebook pages. Then, and the last reason is Facebook can ruining relationships and also can contribute jealousies as well. Why? Because it's already shows viewed in videos in the internet, and that's why it's good not to use the Facebook. And like that, you can have many advantages. First, you don't worry about your privacy. Without Facebook, you can hide secret things in yourself or personalities. You can live it safe or free. And then its advantages is have a reliable communication. In the Facebook, you don't know if they are said truth. Sometimes they say you some trust talk. Then Facebook is waste of time. Why? Because Facebook is having without Facebook, you can spend more time with your family or with your friends, right? Then so that and remember, spend more time in the right ways or wise ways, and think first before you do something. Thank you, and that's it.
Okay, first speaker.